Hi there, Ashley from Numisma here, and in today's video, I'm really pleased to be showing you a brand new feature we've just released in the system called Find a Match. Now, this feature relates to the banking module, and what it allows you to do is automatically allocate a payment or a receipt against a sales invoice or a purchase invoice. So, in Numisma, you'll go to the banking section of your system, and you've got this unreconciled transactions here. This is where you come to begin reconcile all of those transactions that haven't been reconciled yet. And you'll notice that I've got two transactions here, one for £100 and one for 60,000. So you'll select the reconcile to option, and you can then enter your customer that you want to allocate that to. And once you've allocated it to your customer, you can then come along here to this magnifying glass and press search, which will then find any potential matches for that particular customer. So £100 and my bank transaction is £100, so they two match. So I can select the tick, and then I can click reconcile. That then matches that transaction against that particular invoice. So once I click reconcile, the line is allocated successfully, and if I go to my sales, the invoice is marked as paid. So you'll notice here I've also got an invoice for 60,000 from to Reese. So if I go to banking, unreconciled transactions, and then this 60,000 that I've received, allocate that against Reese, select the magnifying glass, select the invoice for 60,000, and then reconcile. Hit reconcile again. That transaction has been reconciled in the bank account, so I can see that 60,000 has been received in, and so is the £100 that we did previously. And then by going back to sales, the £60,000 invoice is now marked as paid, so it's no longer due. So that is a quick insight into the Find a Match feature. I hope you find this useful. I know this has been requested by a lot of you. So if you do have any other feature requests that you'd like to see us develop into Numisma, please do let us know. You can get in touch with us on support@numisma.co.uk or our phone number, which is 020 3021 2326. Thank you. Speak to you soon. Bye.